Out here enjoying Dad's jungle. This is the beginning of the jungle. Hello, bee. He goes way up the mountains, but still a lot to explore here. But as I told you when I come here not too long ago, I told you once spring gets here, you can't get past anything. Look how tall that is. That's just an open area. That's not even the jungle back there. But yeah, I can't wait to explore. There's plenty of different medicinal plants out here. But I'm gonna start making tinctures, and I already see some things out here that I can use the roots and leaves out of just right here. So I've seen all kinds of fruit trees and plants up there. There's a giant beehive somewhere up there. But it's just the beginning. I love it though. Creek's awesome. It's a dinosaur footprint. You can make nature videos like this. Stick the phone on the thing, let it record for about 2 hours. The soothing sounds of the Appalachian Mountains. You could definitely try to gold pan this stuff. I see shiny right there. Look, shiny, shiny, shiny. There's shinies in the water. Lots of quartz. I bet there could be gold in there. I see all kinds of shiny stuff. Even the rocks that aren't quartz have quartz in them. Some of them. Lots of sandstone. There's some rose quartz in with that. Lots of white quartz. Somebody come down here and moved all these rocks out of the creek, probably find some cool stuff. You can tell at one time there was a wall, an ancient wall around here. There were notch trees, and there's dug-ins way up there into the burrows in the hillside. But you know, this probably hasn't really been active for hundreds of years. I even found an old plow field up at the top there, an ancient field that they used to grow corn in. There's an abandoned moonshine still up there from the 1920s, I'd say. That's all rusted away, but the holes are dug and you can tell everything. I'd like to go metal detecting up there. But lots of fun in nature. Piles of sand. Come over here, look at different types of mushrooms. There you go, right in the wall, big old chunk of quartz. Not really, haha. There's some sweet caves around here. I was looking down there in those cracks, see if I see any hatchets or anything. Never knew. Well, I'm gonna go play in the creek. Everybody have an awesome day.